Hi Aquarius, welcome back to your reading. And yeah, you know what? I started my reading and I was like just doing play, record, and then I say, welcome to your personal reading. I think like many of you are getting guidance, and many commented and many emailed me, many gave donations regarding the aspect that I've been of tremendous help to them. That is a blessing for me. Thank you so much. So let's start. So maybe that's why I said, and I'm doing personal reading. So okay, so sending you love all the way from India, and follow me on Instagram if you want to, desire to. SASHELLS running. Let's start. There's a white heart. It's pure. It's clear. Clearer thoughts. There's a white heart on the table. I feel like there is something as an individual connected with you. We're going to take it slow, okay? As an individual connected with you, plus there is also someone or something happening in your life which is connected with having pious feelings for one another, okay? Or someone is keeping their heart or feelings on the platter or on the table or in front of you. Someone who is expressing something like this: these are my feelings for you, this is what I have for you, this is what I desire with you. That kind of connection is coming, especially with that white heart. It's resting. As an individual, if you're not involved with someone and you're not even interested right now, or you might not be ready, your heart is resting. It's purifying. It's having a blood circulation which is cleansing the stuff out, toxins out, everything. This may be possible for someone out there is getting a heart transplant. This is a medical issue, I know that, but looking at it, they're giving me that message of like having a fresh start, fresh beginning. A lot of percentage over here will have a fresh start, a fresh beginning, okay? Which I'm very happy. It's like there's a soothing effect inside. So as a symbolism, they're trying to tell me that someone is appreciating that something happened, or someone is appreciating the now, that now I can see very clear where my heart is, what the situation is, what I'm going to do next. That kind of energy. There's a white heart on the table. So it's like full of expression, full of emotions, full of having nothing wrong, but having that feeling of believing self-decisions, okay? So there's a clarity in your situation, and there's clarity as in general in your life. You're good. I say in my readings like, you're good, you're okay. You are not in any kind of hurry. You don't want to run after anyone. This is your situation. Like here I'm sitting, and that's me. My heart is here, and I'm fine. I'm okay. Like, you know, when a child cries or an infant, you know, and their older siblings will say, it's okay, okay. I saw one of the videos and I mentioned it earlier also, that she was saying, it's okay, okay. Like someone is there, okay? So possible there is someone. And it is all about the now energies, and we are entering into the future. Obviously, a second goes becomes your past. So does your present and then future. So we all know that. I'm not here to explain you that. People are very smart, but the bottom energy here is Four of Wands energy. It's about what you are reflecting right now. It's about the now. It's about your home. It's about your security. It's about your stability of the heart. Or it is about of the now relationship you're in. Because for many of you, I also feel like it's your hearts are clear of the torment, some expressions, those were not good, or something that you were going through, struggle phase. This is about when both partners, like, they are free of anxiety and stress and whatever is not right, basically, okay? It is about that we connect. It is about my heart belongs to you. So we are going to take time to calm each other down, because we need to make it work, okay? That kind of energy is coming. It's like we parted ways, we're together. We had troubles, but we are together, or we're going to be together. That our heart belong to one another. I see pure hearts coming together, and it's also a fusion of the hearts. So we don't see one heart, but it's like when two souls come and combine, which means that they are in totally love. Like it's a pure love, it's a bliss, okay? I don't see anything around that heart, any trouble, any thought, nothing. It's like the heart is resting. So you're at peace with your love life, you're at peace with your life, okay? And I feel very calm when I do read such things, because many times there are things, those are connected. I also want to say that if people who are coming in like together, Two of Cups kind of energy, reunion or unions, it is about the heart is telling that no one is having any ill feelings now. If it is supposed to be mending and it is supposed to be done in a proper way, things are coming like close to one another. All I can say that. Okay? So it's about the now and the reflection of your home, of your surrounding, of your relationship, the energy that you are, what's that word? Is that impart? No. Something that as in a light, you're giving a reflection, and it's like from the prism, the light is coming out. Whoa, interesting. Queen of Cups. The situation calls and the settlement is happening. This may be someone who is in love with you or in awe with you. This may be Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, or somewhere in your chart falling. However, this is something of a settling, okay? I feel like someone is in love with you and they're holding their heart and they want to give this to you. If this is not the case, about the now, the relationship, getting involved with someone, like it's like the energy is like blessed being with you. I'm blessed that I met you. That kind of energy. But overall, this is your wife, which is about you're holding something very close and you're happy. I know I love you. The saying, maybe this is energy, I don't know. But the thing is coming like, I know that I love you. That I do this singing and all. It has come like a very beautiful like rhythm, and they tell me like to do this. Okay, so I feel very happy while I'm doing it. It's like someone is wearing you around their neck like a necklace. It's like a gem. It's like something which is very precious. Okay. Now you know what? The gems available, we don't know about their authenticity, right? It's like we don't know whether it's like real or the fake one, because sometimes the fake ones will shine more and you don't know, but we want the shinier ones. But I feel this kind of energy has to do something. There's an offering, like it's like it's recommended to you. Two of Wands energy, something is reaching. Whether it is reaching from your side or whether it is coming from some side, but it's reaching. Two of Wands energy, decision. Someone might send those arrows towards you, kind of like, not the arrow to hit you, no, I'm not saying that. It's a very pious moment between you and someone. It's like finally found you, that kind of song, but finally coming. Okay, so your overall energy is about decision. Your overall energy might be about how to take care of your heart, but it's also heart's desire. There is something waiting. I actually, you know what? Let me explain you what I exactly saw, because I just mentioned you the heart on the table. I saw like a wooden table is there, and it's not very huge, but it was like of a medium size, and some area it's out like in a possible in a porch, or maybe it's not balcony, it's like the ground, like where there's a lawn or garden is there, but it's something connected with the home premises. okay? And I saw kind of like a possible a backyard or something. Like we have a front, okay? And my home, it's not in the back, but I do love back, like gardens and everything, because you need not to see the traffic and everything, and it's a personal place and all that. But we have in the front like a kitchen garden is there. So but I saw like kind of something where the table is there, and there was white heart, like emoji, kind of like that, expression, how to explain you. So it was like filtered, like you can say that there are no ill feelings or something, or someone, or there's no regret what you did or what is happening or what happened recently. It's like all unclear, like it's like a flushed out, okay? And it is also like your heart is healthy. There's space for new things, even, or whatever is happening is good between you and the person. So when we talk about twin flames, connections, it's so amazing that people who are actually with their twin flame and they're actually now coming together, or they are already with them, it is happy. I feel very, very fresh. I'm having hiccups. I sometimes feel like, who is the one missing me so bad? Because I do have hiccups at times so much, okay? I know there are scientific reasons to that, but I do believe in these things, so there might be someone, okay? I saw one of the videos wherein a very young girl, she was dancing like doing like this. She was into herself, which was so amazing. So I just need one more card. I don't know, there is someone looking at you. Okay, the High Priestess. The High Priestess. I feel this is you. Okay, I feel. Because I feel that something is reaching you, but you already know. Or there is someone who does want to confide feelings in you, and you are a very good secret keeper. Like you know how to behave, you know how to believe, you know how to comprehend, and you know how to keep things inside, which is a plus point, okay, to be in connection with an Aquarius. One off, because I'm reading for Aquarius, okay? So something that you're going to hear possible, or you're going to know that you already know, okay? Or someone will express the hidden feelings towards you, which is also interesting. Opening the book, you're opening the book here. There's also Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel this is communication coming through. To claim something, to say something, okay? I want to talk, but this person who does want to say something, they're tired of their own life, or tired of their own some issue. Like they've been traveling, they've been on journey, they've been working, something like that, okay? And I feel someone is in need of that pious ambience from you, or they know that you are a secret keeper, that like they can tell you something. There's someone who does want to tell you something, possible their feelings, or we'll see what's going to happen, but yeah, it is happening. I heard fertility call. How it goes for you, I don't know. When you do like this, you see different. When you do like this, it's different. It's different. So might be your overall energy is about working on yourself, plus on your decisions, plus how to be you. You're the High Priestess. How to be you. I have this feeling of someone may express how to be you. King of Swords though, but whenever I look at it, I always get this vibe of like Queen. Well, King. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, it's you, honey, Aquarius. Okay? You being you, that's it. With this card, there's just one message. You being you. You also have bottom energy, Three of Swords. And I have this vibe of heart. I feel like something is getting, it's getting over or complete with this. I'm not going to take it, but I feel something is getting, like toxins are out. That's why it's white heart. It's all pure, naive. It's everything is going away. It's clearing out. It's no more judging. Nothing. Like I said, you being you. Your focus is shifting. Not a distraction, but your focus is shifting. 8 of Pentacles energy. You are getting what you deserve. Okay, you're being adored. With the white heart, there's a lot of love with different emotions towards you. If this is happening, okay, because I feel it's you, and your situation is like different emotions towards you. That's it. Okay, and your focus is shifting. Your focus shifting, possible from 5 swords, or your focus of emotions is shifting from 5 swords. There's no regret, no nothing. With this 5 swords coming, like nothing. That's it. Nothing. You need not to have nothing. Why? They're saying nothing because, or what we say, like nothing, cause. And you need not to give reason, cause you know that. Because the one who's listening to me knows that. So, you're not even looking at this, what is went, what gave you stress. It's like nothing. It's nothing. And you are having Ace of Swords energy with 6 of Cups. So possible nothing is you need not to do anything with that communication, or there is nothing, yes or no now. Possible for some cases, but there's also communication. Possible there is a breakthrough. Possible there is truth out. You know the situation very well, so no regret. Or there is initiation possible of the communication. Okay. I just want to share something. When I started, I wanted to say initiation, but I always used to say like initiate, because I was like initiate. Sometimes it messes your mind, the words, right? But I knew all the way initiation, but I was like I won't say that. I won't. It's initiate. So anyways, with this Ace of Swords with 6 of Cups energy, there's a communication or a talk where there is nothing left, or you feel nothing now may come along, or they want to say something. If this is about particular energy, or you may hear out from someone, resurgence possible, but it doesn't affect you anymore. You're clear about that. So possible it's Ace of Swords to talk about nothing, or maybe someone will say nothing. They're talking to you, but they're like hiding something, and they're like, they want to express, but you know the secret already, but they're not saying that, but they're in awe with you, and like nothing. But all they want to give you is this, possible 6 of Cups, feelings, or they miss the past. So when they miss the past, they want to talk. Okay, but your change of focus is here. It doesn't affect you what happened. It's like you being neutral, possible for someone. So this may be from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, possible, not necessary. There's an approach. Possible this happened with someone, 10 of Swords, like something is over already. Possible something happened was sour. Okay, I can say sweet, it's sour. S-O-U-R. But with this Knight of Wands energy, Aries, Sagittarius, but it's approach. Okay, so possible approach from someone that ended, something ghosted, something was like, I heard lame excuses, something connected with this. Something that you are done with. You're done with 3 of Swords with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or something that you're done with. Oh my god, which card? Something that you're done with the person who was having guards up, push and pull, or something was happening between you both, or someone was involved, like a triangle, or just a misunderstanding. But with this, it's complete, it's over. Possible with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone around you is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and they're not doing well. Like they need to talk, or they're just not doing well with the heart matters. So if they're connected with you, you need to talk to them, or they are going to end up talking to you. If it's not even a love matter, If it is, it's something that ended with this person uh, way back, I feel. Or possible this is the struggle to put back things right, because it's very difficult to take out every sword, especially if it is the matter when person was alone and they cried and they came up with different things in order to heal themselves. I see here that in the future, in the near future of you, whenever it is going to be, there is the secret that's going to be out from someone. And the someone may be from past Six of Cups, I'm sorry, Resurgence. I'm stopping. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? There's this desperation from some side and they want to say something here. I don't know who you or this person. And they really want you to hear that. Especially when the situation is all about like it's calm now. Especially when your heart is pure. Kind of like, you know, toxins are out and everything. Like it's healed. Zigzag. There is a zigzag or was a zigzag or something is a zigzag and you're solving it, or this person does want to. Do you see it? There's a finale to something. So maybe finally or finale, in the finale you're going to hear. Unfinished was connected with finale. So something is unfinished here and you're going to have to be done with something. There's also something special and hard. Who question is there? This person. See me, love. See me, love. See me, love. Possible it's like someone might be saying, see me, love. See me, love. Man holding a coin, assurance. Someone who is becoming worth in something as an individual. It's their own thought. See me, love. So there might be, for some cases, someone who's looking at you, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you do your work. Someone over here is appreciating you if they are not even in contact with you. Or this person will come in your life. Man holding a coin. Appreciate when they come, okay? Because they're going to look at you like that. Interesting. Hey. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay. There's anxiety connected, but you are working very hard, and that's why maybe it is connected with a pure white heart. Okay? Don't worry, things will be settling in your life. Don't overthink about something. Be in this angel of strength mode. Okay? This is your energy of having control, being strong. Maybe this totem is protecting you. However the situation goes, I think it's going to be very interesting phase of your life. Take care, I love you, and see you soon.